What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Desert Style. Today I got my cold air intake in finally. I'm super stoked about it, and I'm going to be showing you everything that comes included when you get it at your door. So this is our bent pipe, and of course we have our short pipe right here. This right here can actually be used to make it the cold air in part. This right here, you can just make it a short ram if you want, but of course I prefer to go for the cold air intake, which is going to dig deeper inside to grab the cold air. You're going to get 4 band clamps. You're going to get 2 vibration mounts, 1 hose with their nice logo on that, and of course your elbowed hose with a sensor grommet, and the air filter. It's very, very well put together. This is actually a badge. It looks really nice. The paint job on it's got kind of like a metallic looking effect to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very nice though. They actually have that in silver too, but I went and chose with the black. I think it would look really nice. I'm very pleased with the product. It's very sturdy, and the instructions that come with it very detailed. They have instructions picture by picture. It actually recommends that you take off the whole front bumper, but from what I've seen, you can just take off the passenger front and take off the wheel well and get to everything that you need to install your cold air intake, and to take everything out that you need to be taken out. And tomorrow I'll be installing it, so I'll be sure to put up a video for that. And I have one more thing too. Last video with you guys, I installed my lightweight crankshaft pulley, which I'm looking for right now. This is it right here. So I did the whole install video, and nothing was wrong with the install. I actually have a little video right here to tell you guys about this little piece. On your crankshaft, there's a tiny little piece right there that looks like, let's say half a circle. It fits in this, but on the crankshaft, it also fits in that. And when I was taking this off, it actually fell out and made me panic a little bit. But if that ever happens to you guys, it's just a little piece that goes in there. The rounded edge goes inside the crankshaft, and the straight edge makes the slot for that little key slot to fit into. But anyhow, I actually didn't like the vibration I was getting from this one, so I went ahead and put my stock one back on. And I'm actually looking to get rid of this. If you guys have any questions or anything about it, let me know. I got it for, I think, $150 at Modern Performance, same place I got my cold air intake. Nothing's wrong with it, it's just didn't really like the vibration too much, so I'm wanting to get rid of that. I also have a K&N air intake filter. It's the Typhoon one that does fit the 2016 Dodge Dart and 2.0 liter. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. But other than that, you guys, this is it. Very nice product, and I can't wait to install it tomorrow.